Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making honey oat muffins two ways. Now the base for these muffins are going to pretty much be the same, but for the kids version I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate chips. Now I usually make about a dozen of these on Sunday and then I keep them in the fridge, and they're the perfect thing to pick up for breakfast or for a snack. So stay tuned for my honey oats muffin recipe two different ways. I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. In a bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of white flour, half a cup of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of organic rolled oats, 3/4 cup of dried blueberries, a little less than 1/3 flaxseed meal, about 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm mixing all of this together. I've added some flaxseed meal to add some fiber to the muffins, but this is optional. In another bowl, I'm adding 1.5 cups of buttermilk, a half a cup of honey, 1 egg, a half a cup of avocado oil, but you can use any mild tasting vegetable oil that you like, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm whisking the wet ingredients well. Now I'm pouring the wet ingredients into the dry and mixing together just until combined. I've lined my muffin tin with some silicone and paper liners, and I'm using a 1/4 cup measuring cup to scoop out the batter and put into the liners. Now I'm adding some chocolate chips to 6 of the muffins and gently pushing it down. These are going into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The muffins are done and they're nice and moist on the inside and a little crispy on the outside. They're not too sweet, but just sweet enough to satisfy any sweet tooth. The chocolate chips are a great option for the kids for a balance of healthy yet delicious muffins. Thanks for watching and happy baking!